Hello everyone. Let's start with NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones analysis as usual for today. As we can see, yesterday we hit our target here, the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level that it is supposed here to be playing your ABC, where we have a three ways down there for a wave A, three ways up for a wave B, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Obviously, that we took the 1-to-1 taken from the A, B, and a C, and we already still looking for lower, right? First, structure is still needed, and also the we broke it. We broke the the target decisively, and that means, of course, it's a signal of weakness. We're looking still for lower. I'm gonna remove this since we took it, and we're looking here at a 65% bearish against a 35 today. That means, of course, the scenario is still there as an ABC, but the wave C is still unfolding here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably. Or we are in a very deep correction here that it might unfold here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which is, of course, a deeper impulse. And this even might turn into a 1, 2, another 1, 2 even, and then looking for 4, 5, 4, and a 5 here in a large A, B, and a C. But I doubt this still because, yeah, I mean, in case that we are very, in a very deep bear market, then okay, you have to consider all of that. A 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5. And this wave 3 is going to be very massive to reach, of course, the 0.618, at least here, 25K, 24K, 500 for NASDAQ. But before we come to this area, guys, okay, let's keep our target here, the main target, 27K 434 in sight, and we'll see the reaction from there. Is it going to be a decisive move like we saw today? Something like that, and then pushing down? Well, if that is the case, and we break this zone area, it depends on the structure, of course. We're going to then push for something much more deeper in price there, in a very deep correction, right? But currently, we're still in a shallow correction. We're not yet in the deeper one. We'll see that, guys, if it's going to unfold the same as we are looking for. Right. So basically here for S&P, we are looking also at our invalidation for bullish, meaning your wave 4 currently is kind of like fading away as a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4 has started to fade away. Not yet totally, but it can be, of course, very likely here. In case you are in something also as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, this is totally invalidated. We have nothing bullish here. Bearish is still stronger, I would say, against 40%, 60% for the bearish is an advantage. And we're looking here at a 1, 2, potentially another 1, 2, and wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, that it might reach the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level as an A, B, and a C, guys. Very simple. It's a simple scenario for S&P here in case this is going to happen. So yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Why still 60%, not directly 70, for example? We still need to fade out, of course, totally the diagonal as bullish. I need to take this low. Invalidation at the same time within this low also, it's a triangle invalidation, meaning what if we are in A, B, C, D, and an E here, then we push for higher before looking to this target. That would be shame on us if we just miss this possibility, guys. So therefore, yeah, I'm still not that much bearish. Like, yeah, let's dive directly deeper, guys. We still have, of course, a lot of scenarios for bullish even, yeah, so it still can play there, but I don't see signal of strength. That is the only thing here that it brings me to bearish 60%, because it's a missing signal of strength, meaning the 5 ways up here, 3 ways down, and taking the high, yeah, so that is not there. Okay, we're bearish, right? But still we have an area here to test, guys. It's not just like directly we dump, of course, for something very deep. By all means, yes, deep bear market can be there, but not yet. All right, not yet, guys. We're not gonna rush with our judgment here and our final decision. We're gonna walk with it step by step, and we'll see, of course, the signals that the market give us. Right. So because today we might be bearish, tomorrow we wake up, we will see things totally different. Right. So this is how market change character all the time. Right. So for Dow Jones, I'm still very bullish on it, despite that Nasdaq and S&P are kind of like bearish. I'm not looking at this chart from that perspective. And as you can see also that higher prices are still unfolding, especially after our perfect target here as an A, B, and a C, the diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfectly finished. And we are looking for a wave 2, wave C there. And we're looking for the double 1, 2 here. And we're looking for something to push toward the upside, especially after we got here an expanding diagonal, wave 2 and wave 3, 4, 5. I'm looking for something very, very bullish. This is another signal of strength here. 60% against 40% for the bullish here for Dow Jones, guys. Yeah, totally different. This is a chart. This is Elliott Wave. This is what it tells you when you have to be bullish on a chart and when you have to be bearish on another one. Despite or regardless to what connection this chart can have in your mind, guys, in your psychology. What kind of connection it can have with NASDAQ and SPX psychologically, because you think that, oh, it's a US indices. It should dump, right? But this is not what Elliott Wave says. And that's why I'm bullish here. But on NASDAQ, I'm bearish. And the same as for SPX, I'm much more bearish as well. Yep, so that was it for the US stock indices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before a YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.